everyone, and welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I am trying synthetic hair on my daughter for the first time, and I can tell you, hey, what I went through trying to make Imisi's hair with synthetic extension. I can't explain. I can't tell it all. Everyone, it was a very stressful moment for me. Oh boy. All right, so the first thing I did here was to section Imisi's hair using rubber band. Yeah, that kind of like made it easier for me to like have a clean section of what I wanted. I eventually took off the rubber band as I began to knot the hair. Everyone, Imisi took all my milk, finished all my milk in the house, finished all the snacks I had, just because we wanted to make hair today. You needed to see what I went through. We even changed clothes, because at first the one she was wearing was not the one she ended up finishing the hair with. We did a whole lot of drama today just for us to make synthetic hair. Ha! Like the Yoruba people will say, you don't understand. Oh boy. In fact, it was a success. It was a huge success for me to eventually make Imisi's hair. Honestly, I don't know how people do it though, with synthetic hair, having to like braid kids' hair with synthetic hair almost every now and then. Honestly, it was indeed stressful for me, because she kept pulling this synthetic hair. She kept pulling. She kept, oh boy, it was like irritating to her. At some point, we went to, we took a nap. At some point, we ate. At some point, we stretched. At some point, we did exercise. At some point, oh boy, it was a stressful day for me. But at the end of it all, the hair, oh Jesus, it was awesome. At some point, Imisi was calm, kind of like calm, helping out, like trying to like, she saw that, oh, I've stressed my mom too much today. And at some point, she was like, sit and, just, let's complete this hair. And honestly, she was indeed amazing. Kids will always be kids. And what I do most time is, whenever Imisi is tired, just kind of like stop making the hair and come back to it later. So we kept going back and forth. Oh boy. And eventually, we completed the hair, but she was amazing all through the time. She was amazing, honestly. Oh goodness. So yeah, I kind of like just did this curly end to the braids. Yeah, it's very easy to follow if it's your first time trying to make braids for your kid. Well, I hope your kid sits for this kind of braids, mothers and hairstyle. Oh boy, it is well, huh? All right, if it's your first time seeing my channel, kindly leave a comment in the comment section, or give this video a thumbs up, share my content with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not. completed the hair by the special grace of God. Look at her feeling cool about herself. It was a very nice hairstyle. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again next time.